The next step in our workflow is to try to locate some GIS data. So a common question that I get is, where can I find GIS data? Most GIS data is available at the regional scale. This means you'll most likely find it through your county or state GIS office. Not all counties or states have a GIS office. Some states, such as the state of Kansas, will have a website where you can get GIS data, such as the State of Kansas GIS Data Access and Support Center, located at www.kansasgis.org. Some websites, such as this one, may require you to create an account in order to access the GIS data. In other words, when you visit the site and try to navigate the catalog, you can't download anything. But once you create an account and log in, they will give you free access to their software. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and log into this site. And once I log in, it'll say hello and have my name displayed there. And over here on the left side, I'm going to click on Catalog, which kind of gives me access to their catalogs. And I'm going to try to access maybe some elevation data. And maybe I'm interested in some LiDAR. And this particular site has several tabs running across this top. We have file downloads, gives us some tile information so that we can try to find what we're looking for. Some metadata information. So this is just one example site that Kansas has that allows you to access their GIS data. Another way where you can find GIS data is just by simply going to Google. Let's say we need to find GIS data for the state of Nebraska. We're looking for some LiDAR. Just do a Google search, and a lot of times this is going to be your quickest and best way to find websites in a particular state that host GIS data to the public. So this is Nebraska's GIS data. Sometimes the company that you're working for may have a GIS department, and they may already have the GIS data that you need downloaded to their server. And I'm going to use Kansas State University as an example company. And we'll just say, for example, this company puts their stuff in on the server in a drive called the T drive, or it's mapped to a folder called LA TechMod. And in here they have a GIS source data folder, and this is where this company puts all of their source GIS data. By doing it this way, a lot of companies will do this so there's not like 12 or 24 people contacting the county office for GIS data. They just have one point of contact. They download it, they put it in a centralized place so that everybody in the company can have access to the GIS data.